Welcome back. Health Minister Lakshmikant Parskar has appreciated the formation of a new NGO, Goints of Fudar, in Madgaon. He was speaking at the inauguration function of the NGO on Tuesday. The Madgaon-based NGO promises to tackle social issues related to environment and culture unitedly.
Goints of Fudar, a new NGO, was inaugurated at Margao on Tuesday. It was inaugurated by the Health and Panchayat Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar. Many prominent citizens from Margao are part of this NGO. Parsekar appreciated the initiative by the group of like-minded people. The NGO is headed by Jagdish Prabhudesai. The NGO promises to tackle social issues related to environment and culture.
गोयच्या लोकांचे काही प्रश्न घेऊन सामाजिक आणि सांस्कृतिक मळाचेर काम करपाक पळयता. Ours is non-political, non-partisan, social, cultural organization. There should not be any doubt in anybody's mind.
A reporter from Margao, Savio Dice.
And now news from sports. The All India Football Federation Secretary Kushal Das has stressed that more academies like Seza Football Academy is the need of the hour. Das says the AIFF academies alongside the Seza FA and upcoming Academy of Dempo Sports Club will be very helpful in taking Indian football forward. While speaking at Seza Football Academy's convocation ceremony, Dempo Group Chairman Srinivas Dempo said that his academy will come up by 2014. He also expressed a desire to work together with Seza Football Academy.
All goes well, we probably could have an academy up and running in the year by 2014. And I think it will be wonderful to share a unique understanding with Seza Football Academy. I think rather than competition, we are still miles and miles to go to achieve things together. So I would warmly welcome as and when our academy starts rolling out in terms of having a definite structure to it. The Seza management and Dempo Sports Club management should discuss together how we could really make the academies more vibrant and to see to it that these boys who are passing out have real unique opportunities in terms of having gainful opportunities in the game of football.
AIFF academies, these academies, we should all work together and find local talented players, not just strikers, midfielders, everything. And I think player development is the only way we can find good strikers. But the good thing is all these academies coming up, the AIFF academies, the Seza Academy which already exists, Dempo coming up with their own academy, that is the way forward. And after some time, it will take some time, maybe 5 years, maybe 10 years, I don't know. We will produce the kind of players who can take India forward.
Our reporter Dinesh Karpe from Sankeli.
Seza Football Academy has been in existence since 1999. Over the last 12 years, Seza has produced tremendous young players. The selection of the players is done every 2 years and the academy inducts only medically fit boys. Fitness has come under spotlight in football after a recent spate of heart attacks of footballers in different parts of the world. Advisor of Medical and Community Development Department, Dr. N.N. Batikar, explained the procedure of inducting trainees.
सगळे डिटेल मेडिकल एक्झामिनेशन करतात, इंक्लुडिंग इको, स्ट्रेस टेस्ट. वेन वी टेक द बॉयज दे शुड बी इन टोटली मेडिकली फिट कंडिशन. दिस इज अवर अप्रोच. एवरी 2 years आम्ही 18 भुरगे घेता हांगा. आमची प्रेझेंट स्ट्रेंथ 36 आहा. 18 भुरगे घेता ते आमी सिलेक्शन आमी एडवर्टायज दितात. प्रॉस्पेक्टस आसा आमचो आनी नोव्हेंबराक अबाउट 200 बॉयज हॅड अप्लायड. तातूंतले आमी स्क्रीन करून 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 निमाणे 25 भुरगे सिलेक्ट केल्या वीच आर गोइंग टू जॉइन फ्रॉम 1st June. दिस इज to give the encouragement to the youth. And again this month of May we are sorting out under 12 team surrounding, at least from this time north side, we are selecting the boys from the school, and we will be calling them twice a week to give them coaching, so that yet भुरगे आहा पळय ते फुडले टिमीक आमकां मेळटले. So in short, we want to develop the young boys right from the age of 12. आमी 18 भुरगे पास जाले न्ही, तातूंतले 11 भुरगे आमी घेतले ऑलरेडी फॉर सिनियर टीम. 2 भुरगे इंजर्ड आहा 13, and some boys they have not opted out because some other clubs they have not told us the name. So, and we are not forcing on them. आणि आमचे हें कितें आसा, आमचे मॅनेजिंग डायरेक्टर मिस्टर मुखर्जी सांगता पळय, इज अ सप्लाय चेन. आमकां आमगेलो भुरगो हातूंतल्यान बीग आय लीग खेळिल्लो जाय आनी ही शूड रिप्रेझेंट टू द इंडियन टीम.
Our reporter Dinesh Karpe from Sankeli.
Now, don't worry if you have missed this bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in. You can also catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.